Hi, my name is Vipul Gala. I stay in Kalpataru Tower for last 2 years. By profession, I'm a chartered accountant. And I came down in this place to look out for a flat. I met Kalpataru, marketing guys, and they showed me this complex, and I really loved it. And I think the people in the marketing did a good job of convincing me to stay over here. If I look at it, Kandivali, I think this is the only tower which I look forward for. This is like an icon in suburb. I really like this place, and I've stayed out of India for almost like 8 years. I stayed in Singapore for almost 3 years, and then I look at their condos and compare here. I think it's similar. So I can say that I'm staying in Singapore actually. There are almost like 460 flats over here, and then I think must be like 1,000 people staying over here. And most of people come down for a walk in morning, in late evening, sort of it. And it's wonderful to come over here, walk with them, and it's a lovely outlet sort of here. Good garden over here, a swimming pool. You can swim whenever you want. I'm using gym quite often. The way the gym has been structured, the way squash court is, some of the other game activities have really been well made over here. From a name Kalpataru brand perspective, I think it's known now. Everybody knows Kalpataru. People can compare with top builders sort of it, and then Kalpataru is one of it. So because I know the quality of the project which has been made is wonderful. The outlay, the interior, the height of the flats, these are wonderfully made, and especially the location they have choose to build up this tower is wonderful. When I compare with the town, I think this is a lovely place over here. This is not different than town, I'll tell you. I think most of people know Kalpataru Towers, and I think the way the building has been structured, it's wonderful. I'd really love to come back from my work and come back to my Kalpataru Tower. Overall, I think I'm loving to stay. I love to stay over here. I'm enjoying my stay, and especially so I really love Kalpataru.